Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click continue. Then here you can select your default browser, or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Here you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And you can turn notifications, or you can click not now again. Now you can select your theme, or you can just click save and continue. And you can select your toolbar placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.